Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to our English speaking class. I hope you are doing well and feeling positive today. Let me ask you a simple question. What is the first thing you do after waking up in the morning? Do you check your phone? Do you feel lazy? Or do you feel fresh and motivated? Today, we will learn how to talk about your morning routine in easy English. Yes, this lesson is very important because we talk about our daily routine very often, at school, at work, and in interviews. This lesson is perfect for English beginners, spoken English learners, and daily conversation practice. So relax, listen carefully, and practice with us. Scene 1. Waking up in the morning. Let's start with the beginning of the day. I wake up early in the morning. I open my eyes and feel fresh. You can say, I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up early. I wake up late. Now repeat slowly. I wake up early. Good job. Remember, wake up means opening your eyes after sleep. Scene 2. Alarm and morning feelings. My alarm rings in the morning. You can say, my alarm rings at 6 a.m. I turn off the alarm. If you feel sleepy, you can say, I feel sleepy. I feel tired. Scene 3. Getting out of bed. After turning off the alarm, I get out of bed slowly. Practice sentences. I get out of bed. I stretch my body. Stretching helps your body wake up. Scene 4. Making the bed. After that, I make my bed. You can say, I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. My room looks clean. This shows discipline and good habits. Scene 5. Going to the bathroom. Then I go to the bathroom. You can say, I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Repeat with us. I brush my teeth. Scene 6. Personal hygiene. I take a shower in the morning. You can also say, I take a bath. I use soap and shampoo. Clean body, fresh mind. Scene 7. Getting ready. After my shower, I get ready. You can say, I wear clean clothes. I comb my hair. I look neat and clean. Simple English, strong confidence. Scene 8. Morning prayer or quiet time. In the morning, I pray. You can also say, I meditate. I sit quietly. I feel peaceful. Morning calm is very important. Scene 10. Drinking water. I drink a glass of water after waking up. Practice sentence. I drink water in the morning. Healthy habit, healthy life. Scene 11. Exercise or morning walk. Sometimes I exercise in the morning. You can say, I go for a walk. I do yoga. I do light exercise. Exercise gives energy. Scene 12. Reading or learning English. In the morning, I read a book. You can also say, I read the newspaper. I practice English. Even 10 minutes daily makes a big difference. Scene 13. Having breakfast. After that, I have breakfast. You can say, I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I eat eggs and bread. I drink tea or coffee. Repeat, I have breakfast. Scene 14. Talking about food. If you want to talk more, say, my breakfast is healthy. I like simple food. Food vocabulary is very useful in daily English. Scene 15. Helping at home. Sometimes I help my family in the morning. You can say, I help my parents. I clean my room. I help in the kitchen. Good habits plus good English. Scene 16. Checking phone or news. I check my phone in the morning. You can say, I check messages. I check the news. But remember, balance is important. Scene 17. Getting ready for work or school. Now it is time to work or study. You can say, I get ready for work. I get ready for school. I pack my bag. Very useful daily sentences. Scene 18. Leaving the house. I leave my house with a positive mind. You can say, I leave home at 9 a.m. I go to the office. I go to school. Strong start to the day. Confidence booster section. Remember one thing. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English. You need confidence. Practice every day. Daily practice tip. Practice these sentences every morning. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Mistakes are part of learning. Strong call to action. Comment below in English. What do you do first in the morning? Like this video. Pin with friends. Subscribe for more easy English speaking lessons. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful morning and a productive day. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep speaking English.